Hi and welcome, and today we're going to clean a sensor on a full frame camera. It's the same whether it's a full frame or a C. Hope this helps. It's not difficult, it is a bit daunting and you do have to be careful. So if you really don't feel confident doing it, take it to a professional store that does it. You go to any of the WEC stores, they will do it for you there as well. Feel safe in someone else's hands. But if you want to give it a go, it's not that bad. And I'll just run through exactly how we clean this camera. Right, let's have a look. So you're going to need sensor cleaning kit. This is a full frame one because it's a full frame camera. You can get different ones. I've got a little pouch here which has got blower in it and a few dusters and things as well. So first off is that I'm going to do is just take the lens off, and if we have a look into there you can see. So I'm just going to tip it upside down and just blow in. Okay, that's going to get rid of any little bits of loose dust in there. So as you can see now, it's not going to focus into that. It is clean in there at the moment. Turn it on. We're going to go into our menu setting and we're going to go down to clean image sensor. Oh, actually no, we want lock mirror. We're going to go down to lock mirror up for cleaning. So we're going to click that to start, press the shutter button, and now the sensor is visible. You see the mirror has gone. So we're going to take one of these kits. Don't do this in a dusty environment. It's not worth it. We're pretty sterile in here. So we've got a little swab there. We're just going to run a little bit of liquid, this sensor cleaning liquid, just down the one edge there. We're going to put it into the one side, and we're going to sweep in one move all the way through. Now if you notice how I did that, I'll do it again onto this sensor. I leant across like that, but as I came, I flexed it through to the other side. So we've got a bit of flex into that. And that has cleaned it. I'm just going to do it with the dry side now, into there. And that is beautifully clean. And that's it. So once you've done that, I tend to put the lens back on first. I then power off and listen for the click. That's the mirror going back into place. I then do a reference shot into there. So turn it back on, focus on there, do a reference shot, and then I'm just going to have a look through that image and just make sure I've got no real spots. There are better ways of doing reference shots to see what you want. I tend to find doing it against a fairly pure white background, I see any marks that are on there that shouldn't be, and it's a great way of doing that and finding it. You know yourself when you look at your images and you see those little splodges on there and you're like, oh, really? Same thing, but having it on a pure white, I tend to notice any little grey splodges onto that, and doing it close up as well. It's really that simple. That's it. Have a look, make sure that your lens is, sensor is lovely and clear and there's no spots left on it. You've got to use your visual eye for that. Again, it's quite dark in there, you might need to shine. If you've got a little hoodman or something like that, it's going to be quite useful to look over and to look in. If your eyesight's not up to it, don't do it. Go and take it somewhere. We do it regularly, probably once a week on all our cameras. We're a studio, a business. We have to keep on top of it and do it. If I was taking £50 every time to go and have a sensor cleaned, A, it's time out my day to do it, and B, it's cost a fortune. We change these left, right and centre. I don't worry so much when that's left off while I go and do something else and stick a different lens on. It's part of the job at the end of the day. It's just a tool. Yours is probably more likely to be a bit more precious. It's something you saved up your money for. It's not earning you. This earns me money. So if you're not sure, go and take it somewhere. But really, it's not that difficult. Hope that helps. If you like that, very simple, thumbs up, really appreciate it, it does good. Subscribe if you want any future tips, and look forward to seeing you again soon.